80 degrees, and Jensen Beach. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Volusia Brevard County Line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles, Volusia Brevard County Line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles northeast of Playland Beach, moving east at 20 knots. Additional strong storms will push offshore the Brevard coast following a boundary collision just inland. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create locally hazardous seas. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Playland Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent cloud-to-water lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck and, if possible, avoid ungrounded metal objects. Remember, lightning can strike beyond 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. The latest available surf temperatures and